So today we learn how to score high marks in board exams. How to score high marks in board exams. For that we have to go through some points. First point is finish your study task on daily basis. Yes, if at school a lesson has been taught, finish preparing it the same day at home. Keep this as your prime policy. The same policy applies for tuition classes. Then revise stuff regularly. Just preparing lesson daily won't be sufficient because after a while chances are that you might forget the lessons. This is when revision comes handy. Yes, revising things thoroughly will etch it in your memory. Yes, it is like engraving a drawing on a rock. The more you revise, the better it is. Hence, revise and revise again. Then, take tests regularly. After studying and revising, it is time to do a honest assessment of your preparations. Yes, make sure that you solve practice test papers timely again and again. Just school and tuition class exams are not enough. Try to grab as many question paper sets as you can and solve them. Try to be honest and go for an honest evaluation. Then you have to revise and revise again. Revision is very important, my friends. This part is very important and can't be ignored. Once finished with the tests and evaluation of a subject or chapters, students tend to forget about it altogether. Don't commit this mistake. Revision can't be ignored. It is something students should embrace with open hands. So make it a point to revise and again, even after test and evaluation. Then, group studies with good friends. Whether group studies can be productive or not depends on the quality of members of that group. The group should consist of students who are devoted and serious about studies. The students should be devoted and serious about the studies. Then, get the concepts clear. Don't plainly memorize syllabus. During this period of time, most important chapters are covered in subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, etc. Due to the overload of portions to study, students tend to look at the temporary solutions like memorizing portions plainly or mugging it. This is a bad idea. Chapter studied this way won't stay in memory for long. Then, form subject-wise learning habits. The best way to deal with mathematics subject is by writing and practicing problems. Just reading and skimming through solutions is not the best way to study mathematics. But studying social science is better done by reading through chapters and jotting down important points. There is no need to write each and everything when it comes to subjects. Hence, good study habits will help for scoring more marks in board exams. Then, time management is very important. Time management is the key. This is the time when you should take time management very seriously because half of the time just flew past you. Now you just can't afford to waste time. And the only solution is time management. Then don't let tension get the better of you. With the 10th and 12th standard board exams looming large over their heads, students tend to get a bit tensed. Not only students, even teachers and parents fall prey to this. Don't let tensions ruin your preparations, guys. Overcome it. Try pranayam and other breathing exercises. It will have a soothing effect on mind and help one relax.